Lesson learned.
Check in more often.
Check in all the time.
Is that the lesson?
So we found a pretty big oopsies last night that totally I feel like was my fault for not being on top of everything. I think that's one of the hardest things about trying to kind of build Makerville, run a consultancy where I run point on all these projects, right? And keeping it all organized and making sure the thing that client projects for me always come first. It's my reputation. It's what people see about us out in the world. It's how we get referred to other people. So clients always number one. They're always top of mind for me. So Anthony always jokes that we start talking about the Makerville stuff, and I'm like, hold on, I need to think about it. So, on our team, everyone we've hired has not been for client projects. It's been for building the Makerville stuff. So I have not been on top of checking in with everything. I, assumed that everything was going as planned based on our daily stand-ups. Like everything seemed like it was moving. Yesterday we were working on taxonomy, which is an area that is near and dear to my heart. And I was working on filtering and
Categorization
and tagging of images that would go into FrameReel. And we had set out like a very quick and dirty version months ago.
A tagging schema
that we were planning to use as our team was looking at the 1,000+ landing pages that we reviewed over the years. They were actually taking it and slicing them into individual freeze frames. And I gave them a very, very rough tagging structure, but I thought, hey, this is great. This will get this out the door. I popped in to look at how things had been tagged and how often certain tags had been used, because I thought, some of these could probably be dropped, combined. Let me take a look at are we actually using this e-commerce tag? Are all the e-commerce companies, for example, D2C companies? Can we quickly split them? How hard is that going to be? I hop into the Airtable database, which I totally take credit, blame for
not looking at it.
Because I probably haven't looked at it in 2 months. I just trusted that it was all getting done.
I hadn't looked at it either. So
I opened it up and I was like, wow, yeah, lots of screenshots, but where are the tags? And tagging had been something that we had laid out from the very beginning, and there were no tags in Airtable. So I was like, all right, best case, this is in a Google Doc somewhere, and it's just going to take some time to merge the two databases. Worst case, which is what the pit of my stomach was saying, is that things have not been getting tagged. And that's a problem because as these pages are getting sliced into little slices, you're looking at them, right? You have the context, you're in the brain space, right? And it's easy to tag in the moment. It's hard to come back, get back into the brain space of which site you're looking at, what's going on the page, and tag them again. It's rework. It's probably 5 to 10 minutes of rework per site, and we have over 1,000. So they weren't being tagged. Lesson learned.
So what are we going to do about it?
Well, since I was looking at taxonomy anyway,
and trying to figure out how to combine and recombine,
we're just going to go ahead and combine things, set them, and then all of us are going to get our hands in and work through them as quickly as possible. I wanted the tags ready so that as we start getting this into code, we can actually play with it and see if it's functioning as it should. If the tags aren't in there, we can't play with it. It's not able to be tested. It's going to be a cluster from a testing perspective. So getting tags in on at least 100 of them is probably going to be useful, and we just need to knock out the 1,000 anyway. And honestly, I need to see the tags and see how they're playing out over the course of 1,000 sites to do the taxonomy work that I need to do of combining and saying, like, maybe this tag is not needed because there's only one site out of the 1,000 in there, and it really could go into a different category. I think I need a closer pulse on what's going on with frame reel and all that stuff. I can't, I took my hands off the wheel because I trusted everyone to make it happen, and I just don't think I can do that anymore. So it just means that I'm going to sleep less.
Yeah.
It does. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what that means. That means I get to sleep less. And maybe it's the wrong approach. Maybe somebody will comment and be like, "You're crazy. You should trust your team." And I do, clearly.
I think
But I think I need a little tighter grip on what's going on, and just like taking the extra couple minutes to do the quick checks of like, all right, this is what everybody's saying is going on. I need to like look at it and make sure that it's actually happening this way.
All right. So bottleneck identified.
Bottleneck is
Plan has been made.
Yeah. I need more coffee.
I think everybody needs coffee.
It's Monday.
Okay. I think that's it for the update for today. Is there anything else we should be talking about?
Nope. Today was my grouchy update. I'll be happy tomorrow.
Okay. You're going to be happy tomorrow?
Probably. Anthony convinced me that I needed to go on a walk to alleviate my stress and anxiety. So you guys are getting to come on a walk with us. I'm feeling a little better after some motion. So I'm ready to get back at it and just start hitting the grind after feeling a little down earlier.